Ikiwa ni siku ya Jumatatu tarehe 12 mwezi Februari mwaka 2024, taarifa za kuatua nyoyo zimepata kugonga vyombo vya habari. Asubuhi ya kuamkia leo, Wakenya wamepata kuamkia taarifa ambazo ni za kuhuzunisha kuhusiana na kifo cha moja kati ya wakimbiaji wa mbio za masafa marefu ambaye alitambulikana kama Kelvin Kiptum pamoja na kocha wake ambao inaaminika walipata kuiaga dunia baada ya kuweza kuhusika katika ajali ya barabarani. A sober mood has engulfed Kenyans over the death of great Olympic world breaker Kelvin Kiptum and his coach. According to reliable sources, the two victims were in an accident last night along the Eldoret Highway, according to the area police commander report. The two victims involved in the accident lost control and veered off the highway, hence killing them on the spot. The two were just found with neighbors who were around after the grisly accident, who later called the area police officer for confirmation. The officers are doing an investigation into the accident. Two bodies were moved to the mortuary at the scene. Items that belonged to the victims were found, like Kenyan identification phones and others. The family got sad news after the death. Now, and Kenyans are still in a sober mood over the death of Kelvin Kiptum, the world marathon record holder, and his coach, Gavis Akizimana, who died in a car accident on Eldoret, Kaptagat. Yeah, the accident in the Kaptagat area along the Elgeyo Marakwet Ravine Road. Kiptum was 24 years old and had set the world record of 2 hours and 35 seconds at 2023 Chicago Marathon. The Kenyan Track Federation expressed deep sadness and sent condolences to the family, friends, teammates, and the Kenyan nation. He was just a young man that had kicked off his career, but it has been cut short by an accident. All we can say is may God rest the soul of Kelvin Kiptum, the legend,